Attendance at school is key to the success for students now and into the future. On our website, we have two tables that show the impact when students are either late or don't attend school. I'd like to share them with you and talk through our new initiative to ensure that every day counts for every child. The first chart I'd like to show you is this one. This indicates the impact when a student or a child has a day off per fortnight or per week and how much learning is lost. For example, a child who misses 1 day per fortnight on a regular basis, that equals 20 days missed per learning, which is 4 weeks per year. And over 13 years of schooling from prep to grade 12, that means they lose nearly 1.5 years worth of learning. This is not good for students. Scroll to the bottom and you can see here that a student who misses 2 or 3 days per week, that equals 120 days missed per year. That's 24 weeks per year of learning, which is over half of the child's education. This is why coming to school every day counts. When it comes to being late, as you can see here, 10 minutes per day is equal to 50 minutes per week, which is 1.5 weeks per year. And over 13 years of schooling, that's nearly half a year of schooling missed. Students who are 1 hour late per day on a regular basis sustained over time equals a full day per week, or 8 weeks per year, and over 13 years of schooling, that's 2.5 years of missed learning. Mums and dads, we ask you to make every day count by bringing your children to school each and every day ready to learn. And we commit that we will make every day count and make it as enjoyable and as fun and as wonderful to learn for all students. To help this, we've introduced a new whole school attendance celebration process. Here is our attendance celebration process. If we as a whole school sustain 90% or above attendance in term 1 or term 4, we will book the pool down the road and spend a couple of hours as a whole school swimming in the nice warm weather in weeks 10 of either term 1 or term 4. If we can sustain 90% or more attendance as a whole school in terms 2 and 3, then we'll go to a different glasshouse mountain and have a barbecue and a hike. If, as a school, we're able to sustain attendance for a whole term between 85 and 89.9%, then we'll have barbecue or popcorn and a movie in whichever term that success is attained. If we're able to achieve 82.5 to 84.9%, then that will give us an extended play and every student will get a free ice block. To put this into context, Deception Bay State School on average has between 80 to 81% attendance. Last year in term 4, we made an average of 82% for the whole year. In term 4 alone, we made 85.2% attendance for the entire term. We can do this. Absolutely, we can do this. Each and every week on assembly, Miss Fiona will present the Commitment Cup of Cupcakes. That cupcake cup will go to all students in the class that sustain 95% or above. Last year, we had 2 Year 3 classes for 1 week sustain 95% attendance and they all got a free cupcake. That process will continue every week this year. Any class that gets 95% or above for attendance will receive the Commitment Cup of Cupcakes and a cupcake for each and every student. If we can sustain our attendance across a term, we will get a whole school reward for everyone. We're excited to continue making every day count here at Deception Bay. Thank you for listening.